Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video we're going to talk about new tax deduction by Google on AdSense account holders. Yes, so today in this video we will going to discuss about an email that Google is sending to all the content creators about tax deduction. We're going to discuss this topic in this video in detail, especially in the context of Indian content creators. So if you would really like to have complete information regarding this topic, stay connected with the video till end. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. If you really like the video, then please click on the like button. So let's start. YouTube in an email to all the content creators has informed that it required to deduct taxes. It required to deduct taxes on income of all the content creators who are outside the United States, and there will going to be no tax deduction on income of United States YouTubers or content creators. So tax deduction will only going to be happen on the income of content creators who are outside the United States. You are required to submit your tax information on AdSense account so that Google can derive at the correct amount of tax deduction that is applicable in your case. If you fails to provide your tax information by the deadline, and the last date to submit your tax information is 31st May 2021. Yes, again I am repeating, the last date to submit your tax information is 31st of May 2021. If you fails to submit your tax information on or before this date, then Google will start deducting 24% of your total earnings, 24% of your total income from Google AdSense. Yes, and the income will be considered as your global income, your worldwide income that you generate from the AdSense account. Next question is that how much of the tax will require to be deducted? What will happen if we submit tax information and US and India have a treaty, then US and India have a double taxation avoidance agreement in place, then how much tax will going to be deducted? Tax will going to be deducted from the income earned from the viewers in United States, or how much of the tax deducted from the income earned from the viewers outside the United States. Let's check out an example and understand it clearly. So let's check out how tax will be deducted, what will going to be the percentage of tax will going to be deducted, and what are those three categories which have different tax deduction rate. Yes, so the first category is if you do not provide your tax information by due date. The due date is 31st of May 2021. Yes, so don't forget this, you have to provide your tax information by this date. So the first category, if you do not provide your tax info on Google AdSense account, then tax will going to be deducted at the rate 24% of your total earnings from Google AdSense account. This is the first category. The second category is if you submit your tax information on Google AdSense account, if you submit your tax information, then it also includes one more thing, and if you are eligible for tax treaty benefit, yes, for tax treaty benefits, then the applicable percentage is 15% of income from viewers in US. Yes, this 15% is not applicable on your total revenue from Google AdSense account. This 15% is applicable only on money that you make from viewers in United States. And the third and the last category is if you submit your tax information, and you are not eligible for tax treaty benefits, then the applicable percentage for tax deduction is 30% of income from viewers in US. Yes, so this is 30% applicable from viewers of income from viewers in US. So this tax will be deducted as per the category in which you fall. The one category applicable is 24%. Please remember that 24% is the entire income that you make from your Google AdSense account, that viewers may be in US or maybe outside the US. And the second category applicable percentage is 15% of money you make from viewers in the US. And the third category is, if you submit your tax information and you are not eligible for tax treaty, then 30% income from you make from viewers in the US. Yes. So this is what the Google proposed for tax deduction in your YouTube account. So let's check out this from the Indian content, from the point of view of the Indian content creators, that how Indian content creators will going to get impacted. Yes. So see, let's check it with an example. For example, if an Indian content creator on YouTube or from any of the platform across Google AdSense makes $1,000, right? The total income from Google AdSense is 1,000, and out of this 1,000 he makes $100 from US viewers, right? Then the first case is, if he don't submit the tax information, then 24% of tax will be deducted, then 240 USD will going to be deducted, and net payout to this person will be 760 USD. This is the first case that we have discussed. And the second case is, if the person provides tax information, right, this is the case where no tax information was submitted. This is the case where the person provides tax information and is also eligible for tax treaty benefits. Then the tax deduction would be 15 USD. It is 15% of this, not this, right? So 15%, that is 15 USD will be deducted, and net pay that person receives from Google is 985 USD, right? And the third and the last case would be that tax information has been submitted and not eligible for tax treaty. The person is not eligible for tax treaty, right? Then how much tax will be deducted? Tax will be deducted 30%, that is $30. Again, of this amount that a person makes from US viewers, $30. Then the net payout in this case is $970 in this case. So the most beneficial proposition in this case is the second one, where tax information has been submitted. So don't forget to submit your tax information and check out that whether you are eligible to obtain tax treaty benefits. Then your tax deduction will be least and your net payout will be maximum in this case. So please submit your tax information by 31st of May 2021. So now the next question here arises is, can Indian content creators can take benefit of tax paid outside India? Right, because see, most of the Indian content creators are residents in India, and if they are residents in India, their global income will going to be taxed in India, right? So there may be a scenario where they paid taxes in US by way of tax deduction, as well as their income will again going to be taxed in India. So it's a clear case of double taxation, right? The double taxation, it's a clear case of double taxation, but this double taxation will not going to happen, as you have to check out double taxation avoidance agreement between India and US. We have this arrangement well in place. India has double taxation avoidance agreement with US. We also call it a tax treaty between India and US. So you can obtain the benefit of double taxation avoidance agreement if this is the case, that the same income will going to be taxed in India, as well as you also have paid taxes on the same income in the US. Then you have to check out double taxation avoidance agreement to obtain benefit of taxes paid outside India, so that your income will not be taxed twice in India as well as in the US. So the next part is that what information Google AdSense account is seeking. What information Google AdSense account is seeking from you. The first information that they seek from you is that whether you are an individual or you are an entity. So you have to submit it that you are working as an individual or you are working as a business entity. Entity means non-individual. It can be a partnership firm, it can be a company, it can be an LLP. So the second information that Google AdSense account seeks from you is that are you a citizen of US? Are you a citizen of US? You have to select yes or no. Most of the Indian content creators, they have to select this option. The third option that Google AdSense account seeks from you is, and this is very important and this is quite technical, you have to understand it. They ask you about that which form is applicable on you. The form is that which form is applicable on you. The first form is W8BEN and the second form is W8ECI, right? So what is the difference between these two forms? See, these two forms have difference, as these two forms will also going to determine how much tax will be applicable to be deducted from your Google AdSense account. This W8BEN would be applicable for non-US individuals, right, who wants to claim tax treaty benefits. If you are a non-US individual and if you want to claim tax treaty benefits, then this form is applicable on you. And next form is W8ECI. What this form is for non-US business entity, or individual. This is also applicable for individual, right, that earns income from US, and files US income tax return, right, and files United States income tax return. So this is if this is the criteria, then on you form W8ECI would be applicable. So let's talk about the Indian content creators. See, most of the Indian content creators fall on this category in W8BEN. So this is the relevant form for majority of the tax, for majority of the Indian content creators, because they are fall into the category of non-US individuals and they wants to claim tax treaty benefits, as there is already we have a tax treaty between US and India, right? So W8BEN would going to be the applicable form for Indian content creators. Yes, so thank you for watching this video. It was all about a latest update about Google asking to deduct taxes on Google AdSense account for various content creators. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button, share it with a lot of people, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.